N8BQ, seen as 0257 here. T-minus 2 minutes. Person using the software has United 93 selected. To the right we see another smaller circle around American 11. Transponder was deactivated, so the only data we see is 30, 29, etc. Thanks to CJ Newson 88 for the video. At this site you can find the MP3 from WCBS.
Tom Kaminsky, Chopper 880.
All right, Pat, we are just currently getting a look at the World Trade Center. We have something that has happened here at the World Trade Center. We noticed flame and an awful lot of smoke from one of the towers of the World Trade Center. We are just coming up on this scene. This is easily 3/4 of the way up. We are. Whatever has occurred has just occurred within minutes, and we are trying to determine exactly what that is. But currently, we have a lot of smoke at the top of the towers of the World Trade Center. We will keep you.